Welcome to Red Barn Cycles. I'm here to tell you about our UTV Bighorn. It's a golf cart style. This model is a 200 gas golf cart. It has the fold down seat, which you can carry like a dump bed. It also does come in a dump bed, but this one here has the rear seat option. As you can see right there, it does come in many different colors. This one here is black and blue. We have a red that you can order. There's a camo, black, green, orange. They have crew size, which is like a 6-seater. They also have a 4-seater. This one here is considered a 2 to 4-seater. We can order whatever size and color and options you have. It can come with a windshield, folding windshield. It has the option for turn signals. I can go on the front bumper here. You can contact us at Red Barn Cycles. We're here at 27052 County Road 137 between Brantford and Fort White. Our phone number is 386-935-4941. Our office hours are Tuesday through Friday, 9 to 5, and Saturday, 9 to 3. We are closed Sunday and Monday, so you can come by and stop and see us at Red Barn Cycles, or you can give us a call. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching our video.